Mastering SQL Server, pivoting an entity attribute table without CTEs. In the realm of SQL Server, dealing with an entity attribute value (EAV) model can pose numerous challenges, especially when it comes to data transformation tasks such as pivoting. Traditionally, many SQL developers resort to common table expressions (CTEs) to manage this, creating a separate CTE for each attribute, which can become cumbersome and inefficient. This guide aims to demonstrate an alternative approach to pivoting without the need for multiple CTEs, streamlining your workflow and improving efficiency. Why pivot an entity attribute table? Before diving into the method, it's crucial to understand why pivoting an EAV table is necessary. EAV tables are particularly useful in scenarios where the number of attributes may vary drastically or are not known beforehand, such as in system monitoring, configuration settings, or large-scale data integration projects. However, when it comes to reporting and analysis, these tables need to be converted into a more traditional tabular format for ease of understanding and efficiency. Simplifying the pivot process. The key to pivoting an EAV table without using extensive CTEs lies in leveraging SQL Server's pivot functionality in conjunction with dynamic SQL. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to achieve this. Identify the attributes. First, determine the unique set of attribute names present in your dataset. These will constitute the column headers in your pivoted table. Build the static SQL. Structured query language allows for queries to be dynamically generated and executed. Begin by constructing the static portion of your SQL statement, including the base table and joins if necessary. Construct the pivoting section. Use dynamic SQL to construct the pivot section. This involves creating a list of attributes for the pivot clause, utilizing SQL Server's for in subclause to specify how attributes should be mapped to columns. Execute the dynamic SQL. Compile and execute the dynamic SQL string using the exec or sb_executesql procedures, finalizing the transformation of your EAV model into a comprehensively pivoted table. Benefits of pivoting without CTEs. Reduced complexity. By avoiding the creation of multiple CTEs, your SQL code becomes cleaner and more maintainable. Performance efficiency. Reducing the need for multiple nested queries can improve execution time, particularly on large datasets. Flexibility. Dynamic SQL allows your pivot framework to accommodate changing data structures seamlessly. Conclusion. By mastering the art of pivoting an entity attribute table without the use of CTEs in SQL Server, you can not only streamline your work but also enhance the performance of your data transformations. Embrace dynamic SQL and unlock the full potential of your EAV models to meet your reporting and analytical needs effortlessly.